Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, cold box pasta. The morning mise en place, just the basics. Here it is just after prep with extras. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the saute pan. I add the onions and saute for a few minutes. And then I add the garlic and saute for about another 30 seconds. I add the carrots, the serranos, and the chili peppers and continue to saute. The hot jacuzzi is ready. I add the green onions and the tomatoes and give it a stir and saute. The linguini's doing its thing in the hot jacuzzi. I add the kimchi, give it a stir and saute and simmer. The linguine is ready for the show. Here I add the veggies with the linguine, and here it is all blended together. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.